Hello, welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial serial. My name is Eve, your virtual consultant, and I want to show you how to bulk edit your existing data in eWay-CRM. This tutorial takes you through different options depending on what you need and what eWay-CRM you have. I will show you how to bulk edit your data using eWay-CRM Desktop, eWay-CRM Online, and our admin app. Let's begin. Option 1. Bulk edit existing data in eWay-CRM Desktop. If you work with eWay-CRM Desktop, the easiest option to bulk update your existing data is with Microsoft Excel. The idea is simple. You export your data to Excel, change it there, and import it back. eWay-CRM will match the existing records and update all you changed. Let's have a look at it. My goal is to change the deal owner of all Kansas City deals and restore their status back to new. Let me go to Deals and click Export to Excel. Before we do that, it's good to know that eWay-CRM only exports columns visible in the list. If you want to work with a column that is not visible, add it to the list using Column Chooser. Let me add City and click Export. Save it and open it. Notice the first column, which contains the internal record ID. This is critical because eWay-CRM will use this column to match your Excel data back to the existing deals. If it's not present, eWay-CRM will create duplicates. The rest is easy. Since my deals contain records from various cities, I will go to Data and activate sorting. I will sort deals by city and find Kansas City. Let me change the owner from me to my new colleague Linda Smart, and quickly apply the new value to other Kansas City values. I will do the same with status. Excel will allow me to select from the existing values. We are looking for the status new, and apply to the rest of Kansas City deals. We can now save the sheet and import it. Before you import your deals back to eWay-CRM, make sure to close the Excel file. Let's go back to eWay-CRM Deals. Click Import from Excel and select your file. eWay-CRM will load your data and match all columns. We recommend keeping only the columns in which you have made changes to your data. You can click here and mark the rest to be skipped by the import. And import. If you have made a mistake or violated your company workflow rules, a wizard will help you fix it. To learn more about importing data from Excel, check our tutorial video in the resource section on our web or our YouTube channel. And we are done. If I filter our Kansas City deals, Linda is the new owner and their status is new. Nice! You can follow this procedure to update any existing fields. Easy. Option 2. Bulk edit existing data in eWay-CRM Online. eWay-CRM Online is our new generation tool, and we are still implementing some features from eWay-CRM Desktop. There is already a nice option which works stunningly if you want to change a dozen or two records, the in-cell editing. Let me go to Deals and show you. The task is the same. I want to replace myself with Linda Smart and change the status to new. Let me switch deals to the list view and filter just Kansas City. Right from the list, I can click into a cell and change me, Eve, for Linda. I can just start typing, press a key down, and enter to confirm Linda. eWay-CRM will take me to the next record immediately so I can start typing again. And again. And again. And one more time. Done. Now let me do the same for status. New. And again. And again. And again. And one last time. Done. I like to use this feature for a smaller number of records because it is simple and works like a charm. Option 3. Bulk edit existing data in the admin app. Our admin app has an inbuilt feature that allows you to transfer all the existing records to somebody else. It is great if you promote somebody or let them go and need to transfer their agenda to somebody else. Click Users and select me, Eve. Don't worry, I wasn't let go. I have just become the Mid-Coast sales manager, and all my deals now go to Linda. Click Delegate Agenda to get a list of possible options. Here, you always move ownership of all items from within a module. Since all my deals and tasks now go to Linda, this is exactly what I need to do. And confirm. Let's have a look. If I go to Deals and try to find my deals, I get nothing. All of them belong to Linda. The same for tasks. My to-do list is empty. Let's find new challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.